Hello, Asyaba, it's your friend Shayan TGM, and today I am playing Quick Draw with Google. Okay, Quick Draw with Google, or Google Quick Draw, or just okay. Draw a pair and we should draw a pair.
I
Do
see
you see
nails
nail?
or
Okay,
garden
or
hose or
okay, or
stairs
stairs.
or water
Okay,
slide.
water.
I see
Big
trombone
trombone.
or banana arm. I see
What do you
swan.
see, swan?
I see
It's a draw a
sorry,
sun and
I
fill
couldn't
things.
guess it.
Is that not a sun?
I see potato. See
Oh, it's a sun.
or
Do you see?
smiley face. So I know.
Okay.
I see floor lamp.
No.
Or street light. I see line or feather or skyscraper.
Okay,
Or
it's not a
X.
mailbox.
I see
I see a
flag
flag.
or
It's
diving
just
board or
okay.
street light. Sorry, I
Okay,
couldn't
I
guess
have
it.
to meditate.
I see nail
What
or
do you see?
peanut. I see
It's
note.
potato.
So I know
Potato.
it's potato.
Potato. I have to make a. This is when it's so hard. How to make a dragon? Like this.
I see snake or squirrel or bread or paste or bear. So I know it's dragon.
Hey, I have to draw a balloon.
I see
It's a
lollipop
balloon.
or popsicle. So I know
Thank you
it's
very much.
balloon.
Okay, I draw the parrot wrong. Okay, so these are the most realistic parrots I've ever seen. Hey, boy, what are you doing over here? Go for me. It's my house over here. Just get the hell out of it. Just go. Okay. Again, I will draw this. Okay, it'll be easy.
I see garden hose. So I know it's helmet.
It's okay, mustache.
I see necklace. So I know it's mustache.
Oh my gosh. Okay, a teddy bear.
I see garden hose or heart. I see hand peace sign or bear. Or
It's a
pineapple.
teddy. Why
I'm
are you
stumped.
stumped? You don't know what's a teddy bear?
I have no clue what you're drawing. I see glove. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Years.
I see eagle
Oh,
or
no,
hurricane
no.
or blackberry. I see red. Gravel. Or broccoli.
It's coming.
I know. It's
Yeah,
curly hair.
God.
I see tulip. Or
It's
pillow.
a garden.
Or
It's a
power
garden.
outlet.
It's a garden.
I'm stumped.
It's just
I'm stumped. I see alarm clock. Or pool.
come
Or calendar. Sorry, I couldn't guess.
What's skyline? I don't know what's skyline.
I
Just
see
make
line. Or
no,
flyer.
no.
Or
Like
sandwich.
these are sand.
Or camouflage. Or
No, not hurricane. Why do you like hurricane?
I'm not sure if that is.
It's so beautiful skyline.
Sorry, I couldn't
Oh
guess
my
it.
gosh. Why? I think that was the last one. Are you sure you want to quit? No. Oh, I quit. Okay, so that was a Google Quick Draw. Hope you all enjoyed. Like this video, comment, share, subscribe, do shit, don't you do shit. I don't care about. I actually care really. Thank you very much.